is the first in a series of videos demonstrating the capabilities of the 2025 release of our 3D Kitchen design and production software. In this particular video, we're going to look at changing material types in design. So I'm going to select a demo design and give you a look. So these videos we're going to try and keep to around 5 minutes, so they're not going to be long and tedious. So we'll just have a look at the current material type, and it's just a standard panel that's being demonstrated here, and every object in the kitchen has the same panel type. So the first way of changing them is a global change. So we click this scene specification icon and then simply click the word material, select the top 3 objects and then change the material. So I'm going to change to a Bestwood Mist Grey, for example. Generate the image, and they've all changed to this new material type. The second method of doing this is by changing individual objects. So I can change them one at a time or in groups. So in this time I'm going to change them in groups. So I'm going to select some upper cupboards and just run across and click them to select them. They turn green. And probably these base panels here that run outside the back of the bench. And then we click the Operate on Selected Objects icon, and again click the word material. I'm going to use a local material, choose the same 3 objects, and I'll just scroll down, and I'm going to choose the Prime Melamine Sovereign Oak for those materials. Generate the image, and those materials will now be independent. So they've been modified. The other part of the kitchen stays as it was, and then those other panels that we've selected are changed to the timber effect. It's very straightforward, very quick, and any object can be changed to any material type. So what I'll do is we'll have a look at the bench. So the bench is currently, material is listed as Caesarstone Bianco Drift. I'm going to change that and we'll stay with the Caesarstone, and I'll go to say Ocean Foam, regenerate the image, and it will have changed to the Ocean Foam now, a brighter, more whitish colour, still with a texture in it. So any object can be selected, whether it's benches, cabinets, panels, walls, floors, ceilings, windows. Every object can be selected and modified. So that's very simple to do in our software, and it's very comprehensive, allowing you to change to whatever material type you like. You can also download any material that's available on the internet. Any graphic image can be applied to any object in design. One more thing that we can do with materials, if I just bring this one up again, if the material has a grain in it, and let's have a look at this, maybe this end panel here. So we can see that the grain is running vertically. If I want that grain to run horizontally, I'll simply right click on the panel and I click material, and I click this icon here which revolves the material. So I select it and revolve it. It says rotation yes, 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 and OK. When I come back here and run the image, the grain is now running horizontally instead of vertically. That can be done as a group of objects, or any single object in design can have its grain rotation modified. So that's kept the video to less than 5 minutes. So keep looking, there'll be plenty more to come.